So this is the setup for this demonstration. Okay, in this monitor we will have a Windows Explorer to store the log file, and this one is the signal tab, logic analyzer. Okay, tapping the data from the FPGA, and in this laptop we have a software. Let's run it first. Okay, this software I developed using a C# with a Visual Studio. Okay, and this is the FPGA. Okay, in the FPGA we have a push button as the trigger. RTC, real-time clock, shows the timing when the trigger happens, and this is the UART module. Okay, for the FPGA and PC able to communicate in the two ways. And this one is the SD card, if in case we want to store the data permanently. This is the SDRAM, okay, the temporary storage of the data. It able to store the data with the speed 100 megahertz. And in here we have three LED. White indicates that the SDRAM is empty. Because it's just started, then it means the SDRAM is empty. Okay, red LED indicates if the SDRAM is full. The blue one shows that if the SDRAM is being read by PC. Okay, later on I will show the demo. Before I demonstrate the data logger, first I will show the input signal. Okay, so first of all I click this show input signal. Okay, it will not show anything in this software, but it will show the signal in this signal tab. Okay, then when I start the trigger, okay, it shows the input signal, the sine wave. Okay, this sine wave was sampled by 100 megahertz. Okay, so it's ready to be stored in the SDRAM. Yep, this is the input signal. So we already see the input signal. Then let's try to demonstrate the data logger. Okay, so in this software it said that it's ready to read. It means it's ready for the trigger. Okay, when I press this push button, okay, it shows that the SDRAM is already full. Okay, that indicates by this red LED. Okay, in the UI it turns to red also, and it said that the SDRAM is already full. Okay, this is manual. Okay, we can click this manual reading the SDRAM. Okay, and it will start to read. Okay, and blue light, blue LED will turn on. It means it indicates that the state is on reading. Okay. Okay, for this demonstration, I will use only 10 rows of the SDRAM. So most likely it's 5,000 something. 5,120, I guess. Okay, until row 9. Okay, that's it. So if it's complete, then it turns to green, and the LED will goes back to go back to white